welcome back. Subscribe and get hooked on the fun. Thank you.
A new study has revealed why identical twins don't have the same fingerprints, despite sharing the same genes. The research showed that 3 families of signaling molecules, along with differences in the shape of the finger and timing of skin growth, interact to create unique variations. Waves of chemical signals spread across developing fingers, which helps create the complex pattern of grooves and bumps on our fingertips. Fingerprints form relatively early in fetal development, starting around the 13th week of gestation, and are influenced by genes. The research found that 3 different signaling pathways play a role in directing the growth of skin on the fingertips, and the opposing relationship between 2 of these pathways, WNT and BMP, creates the grooves and bumps in our fingerprints. The overall shape of the fingerprint pattern depends on the anatomy of the finger and the timing of ridge formation.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.